Hi, Rachel Walker here, and I'm here to talk to you today about water. That's right, good old-fashioned water. We know that water is essential to life. So what are the benefits of water? Real quick recap, right? We know it quenches our thirst. We know it aids with digestion. It releases toxins from our body. It helps to alleviate brain fog because when we drink it, we're more alert. It also helps to curb our appetite. So when we have water with a meal, we feel more full. These are all great benefits of water, but do we drink enough of it? So as adults, we are supposed to drink a minimum of 64 fluid ounces of water per day. That's pure water. I'm not talking about coffee or sparkling waters or tea or sports drinks. I'm talking about pure water, 64 fluid ounces a day. So we know it's important, so why don't we do that? Why don't we do that more regularly? Well, maybe we just don't have the time to track the water. I have a solution for that. See this here? It's called a Tervis cup. 16 ounces, 4 of these babies a day, you get your 64 fluid ounces in. You don't like that? Okay. How about this one? This is a Sunwell cup. 20 ounces, 3 of these and a little bit more will get you your 64 ounces a day. Still not convinced? Okay. How about this one? 32 fluid ounces a day. 2 of these babies a day, you'll get your 64 fluid ounces in. Okay. What's nice about these two is some of them have motivational sayings and little reminders to be drinking throughout the day, so you're consistently hydrating throughout the day. So 2 times a day, 3 times a day, 4 times a day. Guys, this can be simple, okay? So let me share a quick personal story with you. A year ago, I was very, very bad about my water intake. I had no plan, no system. Maybe I would drink water after I worked out. That was about it. So I made a change, and I made it a new habit to get my required amount of water in each day. That, combined with other habits, helped me over 1 year lose 55 pounds. 55 pounds by drinking water. Yes, I did other things as well, but I will tell you this. The drinking of the water was key to my weight loss. So if you want to know some of the things that I did, feel free to private message me. I would love to share with you my health journey and help you perhaps with your health journey. And then in the meantime, folks, go online. These things are not that expensive. And I assure you, if you start hydrating, you will see the benefits pretty quickly. Your body will thank you. Until next time, folks, you take care. Bye now.